very saucy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can see this bag right here, you know, KFC bag. I'm trying out the new, they got the new, what is it called? I'm trying the barbecue nuggets, the barbecue nuggets, the Caribbean, or whatever it's called. Caribbean. See y'all. You see, now you don't. You see, now you don't. Okay, let's try it out, y'all, together. First of all, y'all could have put some more sauce on them things now. There's not enough sauce on it. I enjoy these saucy nuggets, so let me give you a fork too. I don't really like getting my hands dirty. And I asked for some ranch, y'all, so let's try this out together. Let's see. I should have asked for it hot and fresh, probably. I mean, that's fresh enough, right, y'all? It should be fresh enough, y'all. All right, y'all. Let's try this out. Ooh. Hey. You know I gotta dip it with this ranch. All right, y'all. Let's see. This is good. I got the barbecue Korean ones. They have like I think 10 other flavors too. No, 9 other flavors. Y'all better come get one of these. It's actually good. Wow. Fresh. Oh, I shouldn't do that. It's hot, fresh. It's just smooth. It's good. I love the sauce on it. Just right. The ranch, y'all just don't know. That ranch hit. Y'all better come get one of these. It's so freaking tasty and good. It's so delicious, y'all. Y'all better come get one of these. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna let y'all go because I gotta finish scrubbing. Comment down below, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.